Hello everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to upload videos longer than 15 seconds on Instagram Story, and create a swipe up link for it. Before you go, make sure you had subscribed to my YouTube channel, and let's start. So, this is my YouTube video which I am going to upload on my Instagram Story and create swipe up link for it. For this method, you will need to have a video longer than 1 minute 15 seconds, and IGTV application, which can be downloaded on Google Play Store. As you can see, there is a video button on the top left corner. Press the button to upload the video. Now select the video which is on your mobile and press next. Press the upload from gallery button below to upload a thumbnail of your YouTube video. Press the next button and write the title of your video and description, like me as shown. Now, post the video and just follow me. As you can see, my video is uploaded. After the video is uploaded, go to Instagram, and go to your story. Now select an image in your story, and above, press the link symbol, and link the IGTV video for it and follow me. Press the tick button and do as I do. Add your favorite swipe up stickers and post the story. Now, I checked whether the swipe up link worked or not, but finally it worked. That's it. If you like my video, do subscribe. Thank you. See you later.